Yesterday, we were working on subtraction problems. When we solve a problem, what's the very first thing we need to do? Read and think. We have to understand what we're trying to find out. The very first thing, read and think. Then, after you read and think about it, I am having you write the number sentence to start it. And what are you doing for what you don't know? You're putting a box. So if my story is that owls sat in a tree, let's say there are 6 owls in a tree. Two owls fly away. How many owls are left? So if you have a problem like this that you have at the top of your book, what's the first thing you need to do? Make sure you understand what's happening. What is happening in this story? What is happening to the owls? Luke?
There's two fly away.
2 fly away. So what kind of a story am I talking about? Clara?
Minus.
A minus story, a subtraction problem. So who wants to tell me the first number in my subtraction problem? Brendan? 6. Then what do I need next? Karina?
2.
Well,
Plus.
let's think about it. Minus, I want them to go away. This is really important. I want them to go away. How many are going away? Isaiah?
2.
2. Then what do I need? I need a box so that I know that this is what I'm looking for. What is my answer going to sound like? What should my answer sentence be? Jack?
6 minus 2.
Well, I've got the 6 minus 2 equals blank or equals the box. My answer sentence needs to say,
How many hours?
well, that's the question, so I want to answer that question. This many owls are left. Yep, I didn't do my R very well there. Then what goes in here? What do I draw or write about in the middle? Hudson? How I solved it. So how can I solve a subtraction problem? What are some ways we talked about to solve a subtraction problem? Karina, what's a way you can solve a subtraction